Hello. 5 essential lube oil analysis for the power plant turbines. Today we will discuss about 5 essential lube oil analysis for power plant turbines. In power plants, the turbines are the heart. Even boilers also are the hearts. So if your turbine is down, your generator is down, so everything is down. So power plant business will be going down. Now it is essential and paramount importance that you keep the lube oil in a very clean and healthy condition. So regular lube oil analysis is essential for monitoring the condition of the lube oil and ensuring the health and critical components of the parts of the turbine and critical equipments. We will discuss today what are the 5 analyses you should carry out in your power plants on a regular basis to avoid the unforeseen damage or forced breakdown. Hi, I'm Vivek Roy. I'm a power plant and energy specialist by profession for last 36 plus years, and I am emotional intelligence coach certified by Dr. Daniel Goldman USA. Please subscribe my channel, share and like my channel and comment also. It will take only 1 minute for you, but it will give a big booster for me to bring new things to you and share the knowledge in this platform. Let us start the 5 analysis. What are the 5 analysis? So first analysis is that lube oil viscosity analysis must be done on a very regular basis. Say I am talking about monthly basis, right? Now most important characteristic is the viscosity. Viscosity actually determines the film, the thickness between the journal and the bearing, right? So these moving parts are highly loaded things. So this thin film actually gives the frictionless movement to the moving parts. So viscosity property is the property of the lube oil, and any abnormal viscosity is too high or too low, it really indicates some potential contamination of the or degradation of the lube oil. So which can lead to increased friction, heat generation and eventually the wear and tear of the equipment. Now for this, all steam and gas turbine manufacturers give the operating range of the lube oil viscosity, and if you see the analysis report, it should be within the range of the viscosity given by the original equipment manufacturer OEM. Number 2 is water content analysis. It is very important. If the water is mixed in the oil, actually it will be emulsified, and what will happen is property will be slowly losing out in course of time. Now water contamination promotes degradation, chemical corrosion and bearing fatigue. These 3 things it promotes. And water in turbine is a top concern. It may come from the lube oil cooler leakage, it may come from the gland seal steam leakage and all these things, and from the outside if your lube oil tank is not properly sealed or breathing is not there. So high water content may damage the bearings and the rotary equipments of the turbines. An on-site visual inspection on daily basis in the gauge glass of the lube oil tank or from the glasses from the different bearings can give an indication whether the emulsification is happening or not, and also follow the OEM O&M manual about the range of the amount of water or moisture to be in the oil. Now we go to number 3. Number 3 important is the particle count analysis. This is very important because we have seen that all over the world the study was carried out, and the study was showing a result that 70% of the equipment failures in the circulation system or the lube oil system are caused by the particulate contamination in the lube oil. So particle count analysis must be done on a regular basis, and this particle count analysis, if it is going more than NAS class 7 or whatever the manufacturer gives us, and for the governing oil it must be less than 5, you can take control action, start centrifuging or start vacuum centrifuging. You can do it and take out the particle from the systems. So number 4 is the oxidation stability. Oxidation stability is the very important part, because in course of time oxidation stability, how the oil actually resists the degradation over time. How the oil resists its degradation over time is the oxidation stability. Now, as turbine oil oxidizes, it forms the various acids, sludges, and reducing the lubricating efficiency and accelerating the equipment wear. Now, if we see the rate of oxidation increases exponentially as the temperature rises and with the presence of metallic contamination. So, the temperature of the lubr also fixed by the original equipment manufacturer, and within the range you have to operate the system. Now, regular oxidation test alerts the oil's condition, ensuring timely replacement of the oil and decontamination of the oil if it crosses the above value. Now, this analysis helps to prevent varnish formation. Also, varnish is a very dangerous thing in the lubricating oil system and the rotating parts, and it produces a coating on the surfaces and ensures disrupts the smooth operation of the turbine. Now, if we go to the number 5 is that it is the total acid number. Total acid number, actually it is a measurement of the acidic compounds in the oil which increase as the oil starts degrading. Right? Now, high acid numbers indicates oxidation and contamination, leading to corrosive wear of the components like bearings, seals, and shafts. Now, monitoring of the TAN, total acid number, helps detect chemical breakdown of the oil and gives operators the chance to replace or filter the oil before the acid level goes very high or the damaging level. The total acid number TAN for steam and gas turbine lube oil system are typically ranging between 0.01 to 0.25 milligram KOH per gram. Also, you can consult the OEM for the particular machine you are operating. So, ingestion of the dirt and water are the main cause of increment of the acid number, total acid number in the lube oil system. So, now what is the call to action? Now, call to action is that all the 5 analysis whatever we have discussed till now must be implemented at your practical way. So, implement is a proactive management, maintenance management system. You have to implement it. Prepare a schedule of lube oil testing of all the major equipments and follow the schedule diligently. Second, train the operation. Third, train the operation and maintenance persons so that they can aware that what is the lube oil analysis and what are the consequences of damage can happen if these levels are not maintained, and take timely action based on the test reports. Avoid costly breakdowns and take the timely actions. I see you in the next video. Please stay tuned with me.